Americans throw this cut away. An Italian would never. $12 of chuck. Most people ruin it. Not today. 3 moves and 1 Calabrian thing you'd never put on beef. That comes later. Look at that marbling. Start with good meat. Half the work's done. All right, time for a little trimming. Let's get this silver skin off. Getting rid of it helps the smoke and the rub really penetrate the meat. First layer, SPG. Salt, pepper, garlic. Then a beef rub on top. The red one, paprika. The salt builds the crust. The paprika brings the color. Press it in. Every side. Then let it sit. 10 minutes. The move that makes these glossy? Still coming? Stay for it? All right. While the meat rests, let's fire up the smoker out on the balcony. We're aiming for 120 degrees Celsius, running applewood pellets. This is Cheap Cut Sundays. New cheap cut every week. Subscribers and stop overpaying for flavor. Stick a probe right in the center before it goes in, and pull it off when it hits 74 degrees internal, not a minute before. Now, take a look at the meat. See that moisture? That's the salt drawing the water out. Make sure you pat it completely dry. No dry surface, no bark. 74 degrees internal, and the bark is perfectly set. Time to chop this up. We're going for 3 centimeter cubes. Look at that. Bark on the outside, nice and pink on the inside. That's exactly what we're looking for. Cubes in a tray, butter, room temperature, 2 of honey, 2 spoons of nduja. Toss it all together. Here it is. Nduja, Calabrian chili paste. Soft, spicy, you spread it. And listen, this nduja, my Calabrian friends call it the tourist one. The real stuff, the one that burns. You only find that down in Calabria. American fire, Anima Italiana. Let's stick the probe right back into the cubes. Cover the pan tight with some aluminum foil and put it right back on the smoker. We're taking these up to 94 degrees. I know. I should probably push them to 96. But honestly, I like them to keep a little bit of that crispy bite. It's just a personal preference. After that, let them rest for 30 minutes. While they sit, all those juices get reabsorbed. Nothing toughens up and nothing dries out. On the board, a nice wooden one. The food just hits different on it. That red liquid left in the tray, don't throw it. Pour it over. That's all flavor. Last touch, 2 spoons of my balsamic glaze. Want the recipe? Tell me in the comments. Taste it. Not fully burnt, I know, but look how tender. Nduja, honey, balsamico. Sweet, sharp, a little heat. 1 bite, and you go back for another. $12. Balcony smoke, Anima Italiana. Simply Spaziale.